Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market. I've got a 2016 Kenworth W900 extended cab day cab to show you. It's built with an Isx Cummins, 500 horsepower, 10-speed. It also has a wet kit. We've got a pair of these, but this specific one's got 335 on the miles. I've also got one that's in the twos. Gotten it hot today, gonna do a full walk around. This one just came out of full detail, all the aluminum sanded polish. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and get started. Excellent, the new steers. Nice, clean Southern truck, no rust, one owner. This one is a short hood W900, which a little harder to find, but like it in a vocational work truck. Got a nice appeal to it, but can still get in and around where you need to. The only paint blemishes I really see on this one is got a scuff on this driver's fender. Not gotten into the body at all, but the paint does have a scuff there on that fender. Good match virgin rubber, air slide fifth wheel, pinnable fifth wheel if you need that for your trailer. Basically new brakes as well. I really like the factory split tank here for your hydraulics and diesel. There's your hydraulic line there. Steps and tanks are all in good shape. Nice interior package, VIT. Extended cab. It's even got navigation in this one. It's a control tower. Nice and clean on the inside. $335 on the miles, 10,000 hours. Great mile to hour ratio there for a day cab specifically. That'd actually be really good for a sleeper truck too. There's your temps up. Great low side oil pressure. Super responsive. Oil pressure jumps up exactly like she's supposed to. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, definitely let me know. If you need a pair of these, like I said earlier, we do have two. Give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.